What's good, everybody? On today's video, I'm going to show you how to create under cabinet lighting that turns on automatically when you walk into the room by hooking it up directly to an occupancy sensor like I did. And you can also control these with the remote control at any time you want. And then the lights, you can see that it's going. I drilled a hole right there. I went above and then I went back into this cabinet. I brought these lights down. And as you can see, I followed it here. And again, I was very careful to continue this underneath. And if I wanted to keep going, I could still connect another set of lights to this and I could continue on. Right? So that is essentially how to create your own under cabinet lights. Stay tuned for the whole video.
So we have a LED light strip. This has music sync, microphone mode, app support, and timing mode. It's by a company called Enquiries. It comes with 3 separate reels of lights. You also have a remote control, and they gave you some double adhesive tape as well as some additional links for your LED light if you cut them, right? So these are kind of like these joiners.
This is the finished product. Let me just show you before we break this whole thing down. Underneath here is our power module. This is what the remote control is. These 2 cables are connected to the line that is connected to the occupancy sensor, and that's basically controlling everything. Now that is because our pot lights are connected to the occupancy sensor, and I wanted the lights to also turn on at the same time. You can see that the lights don't turn on. That's because it is daytime. In the evening time, the lights will turn on automatically. Now to override that, we gotta press this button, boom, and then the lights also turn on. Now, once the lights are on, I can control this with the remote, and the colors of the lights are changing. And of course, we can enable different functions of these specific LED lights, like volume. Hello. So as I'm speaking, you can see that the lights are turning on and off. Hello. Right. You can actually see that display in here. Talking. So the remote still works when the lights are on, although I don't particularly like to do this. I just set this on one color, kind of like this, like a bluish color, and that's it. So that way, when we're cooking or whatever at night, it illuminates everything nicely.
You will need a little electrical knowledge. What we've done is we have tapped into this electrical outlet in behind the tiles. I already knew that I was going to do that. And we fished out a 14 gauge cable. So it's a 2. It's got the black, white, and a copper cable. We took the adapter from the LED strip lights and we've cut the end that plugs into the wall, and it should expose 2 different wires. Now I put a piece of blue tape around the one that is black, and we're going to connect it to our black over there, and then this one's going to go connect to the white. Now that is going to create power to the actual lights themselves. Now to mount this, we're going to fish this adapter and we're going to put it in here like so. We're just going to kind of mount it right in here like that. We're going to kind of hold. Once this is in here, this is going to sit on the inside here as well, kind of like this. And then these are where we're going to be connecting the other 3 LED lights. Now we can go in 3 different directions. Just basically plug them in here. So we're going to be extending 1 light underneath here. Then we're going to go all the way up through the cupboards, and we're going to go above that line, and we're going to go underneath from inside of the cupboards and come out there. And then the other one, we're going to connect to the second one, and we're going to go from here all the way up, again above here, down through the cupboard, underneath here, and then we're going to basically go wrap it all the way around onto here. And then that's going to give us an entire surface of the kitchen lit up by 1 single LED string. Alright, so we've got 3 cables in here, which is take this and glue it about here. And then this is our power. So now we basically have power almost. The last step is to connect this to the other 2 wires underneath. All we have to do now is just secure that in place, make sure it's protected from electrical shock, and start drilling the holes and gluing the strings. You want to be about 1 inch away from the edge, so you have a little cast off on that side as well as that side. And there's an adhesive on the back, and it's very easy. You just peel just stick. So yeah, you just continue on until it's all done. So the first step is done. The remote is working, right? And the lights are right now underneath here. And we drilled a hole in the cabinet right there, and we went straight up, and then we do one there. We went all the way around, and we got the lights all the way up there. The last part is just to continue on, as I said earlier, piggyback the next LED light into there, and then do the same thing from here, and then just continue on. Very easy breezy. It looks cool, and yeah, thanks for watching.